What's up, guys? It's ps4. As you can see in front of me, we have a ps4 controller. Today we're going to take it apart. I'm going to show you just real quick in case you want to clean the inside and do whatever you have to do. You got a sticky button or something and you want to see what's going on. Like me, my options button is sticky. I already took this apart before and tried to fix it, but it's still going to be sticky, whatever. So yeah, let's get started. Get yourself a toolbox. If you don't have tools, go buy some tools. Now, if you have one of these small guys, they'll come in handy to get these small screws, which it looks like this is too big, so we're gonna have to see if we can go smaller. So then you have this guy, like me. Alright, so I got it here. So there's 4 screws, and for me, I like to keep all my screws together the way I take them off, even though all these screws on the back are the same size. That's just the way I've always done my videos, or when I take apart things. As I take them out, or I set them on the table, whatever, the way I took them out of the controller. You don't have to, but that's just me. Okay, got that one up. So see how I set them up? So that's where this one goes on here, and then that goes here. That's just me. I don't know. Oh, and there's a reset button back there too. I don't know if a lot of you know about that reset button, but there's a button back there in case you need to reset your controller to do whatever, I guess. Okay, you got this one out. One more screw here. And this screwdriver I got, it actually came with my drone I got. So if you don't have one, I'm sure you can find one at the store or something. Small screwdriver. Okay, so now you got all the screws out. So I can already feel it coming apart. So what I like to do is just slowly, kind of wiggle it. Okay, and then what you can do is this piece, you unplug it. Okay, that's just for the light bar back there. That light bar. So you take that off. Okay, and there's the inside. Alright, so here's the inside. Sorry about that pause break. There's the battery pack. Who would have known? A really small battery pack. But anyways, there's all your components. Here's this piece, your triggers. You can clean in there or whatever. You just snap them back into place in those little things. I don't know if you can see them. Anyway, so yeah, snap it back in there. There's your triggers. And then your buttons up here. Pretty simple. If you lift, there's another screw you can take out somewhere, right there. You can take that screw out and this comes out and you can see the motherboard of the controller. As you can see, I'm collecting hair in mine for some reason. I don't even have a dog. Yep, so that's it. I mean, and see here. You see all that dirt and stuff, you can clean that out. So pretty simple, nice and easy. Yeah, that's it. That is literally it. Now we're gonna put it back together.
You can't stand on the stairs backwards.
I seen that same thing. Alright, so now you gotta put this thing back on. So you go from the back first. Alright, like evenly to get it back on there. Just like that. Make sure everything's intact. Blah, blah. Put the controller back down. And start putting your screws back. Oopsies. Your screws back in there. Come on. There. It's a little tricky because these screws are small. There we go. Oh my gosh. Let me try it with this hand. This is my steady hand. So screw that back in. And screw this side back in. Also, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, ps4. I got more videos coming along. So I got some videos coming up here soon. This is one of them. Go to Facebook. I have a Facebook page. You'll find all my YouTube videos there. It's a little easier. And then you can also find my channel on Facebook. And there's a snake on me.
There's a snake in my boot.
There's a snake in my boot, like she said. Hey, we need that light.
Oh, that's why you had that open.
So, and then test everything. Make sure you put everything back to normal. And we are good to go. That's how you do it. So, like, subscribe, Jizzle22. Yes. See, look, there's a snake. Whatever that is. Alright, peace out.